Hello everyone, welcome back to Mad About Design. In this tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to design this figure using Autodesk Fusion 360. Here are the tools and commands and the dimension of the figure. I am also attaching two screenshots of the sketches which are going to play a crucial role in this tutorial. Now, without wasting time, let's get into it. First, create a new design by going to Files. Select New Design. The unit I am going to use in this tutorial is millimeter. If you wish to change it, you can do this by here. Create a new sketch on the top plane. I am going to draw some concentric circles from the origin. So go to center the circle and draw the circle from the origin. Give it a dia of 108 mm. Second one of diameter 140 mm. Third one 198 mm. And the fourth one of 356 mm as follows. Now turn on the construction feature. Draw another circle of diameter 280 mm. Now rearrange the dimensions properly so that we can have a clear view of our sketch. Go to center the circle again. Now draw a circle vertically aligned with the origin on this construction circle. Give it a dia of 20 mm. Now go to circular pattern. As the object, select this circle and for the center point, select the origin. Change the number of quantity to 6. Distribution full, click OK. Go to Straight Line command, turn on the construction feature and draw a vertical line from the origin up to here. Turn off the construction feature. Go to 2-point rectangle and draw a rectangle anywhere here of dimension 25 mm by 120 mm. Go to Sketch Dimension command. Select the origin and this edge and specify a distance between them as 400 mm. Now I want the midpoint of this edge to be horizontally aligned with the origin. So go to Sketch Dimension command. Select this edge and the origin and provide a vertical distance of 60 mm in between them. Now I don't need this edge, so delete it. Go to Straight Line command. Select the first point on here and the second point on this circle. Make sure it is tangent to the circle. When the icon appears, click. I am going to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Select the first point here and the second point on this circle, making it tangent with it. Now I am going to mirror this whole part on the opposite side. So under Create, go to Mirror. Select all these objects and for the mirror line, click on this vertical line. Click OK. Here the parts has been mirrored. Our sketch is almost ready. Go to Straight Line command. Turn on the construction feature and draw an inclined line providing an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal anywhere up to here. Finish sketch. Now I am going to draw another sketch on the front plane. Go to 2-point rectangle and select the first point as the origin. Give it a dimension of 500 by 400 mm. Delete these two edges. Press D to go to Sketch Dimension command. Provide this edge a length of 500 mm. Now go to Straight Line command. Draw a horizontal line from this point up to a length of 25 mm. A vertical line up to here, followed by a horizontal line making the end point vertically aligned with the origin. Press D to go to Sketch Dimension command. Select these 2 points and provide a vertical distance of 44 mm in between them. Now I am going to repeat the same steps another time. Draw a horizontal line of length 70 mm, followed by a vertical line up to here, followed by another horizontal line with its end point vertically aligned with the origin. Press D to go to Sketch Dimension command. Select these 2 points and provide a vertical distance of 195 mm in between them. Now I am going to provide some fillets on these corners. So go to Fillet, select this corner and provide a fillet radius of 175 mm. Select this corner, give a fillet radius of 205 mm, and for the last one, give a radius of 235 mm as follows. Go to Straight Line command. Draw a vertical line from this point up to here. Press D to go to Sketch Dimension command. Select the point and this line and provide a horizontal distance of 85 mm in between them. Turn on the construction feature and draw a vertical line from this point upward up to any distance. I am going to mirror all these lines and curves with respect to this construction line. So under Create, go to Mirror, select all these objects and these 2 lines. For the mirror line, click on this vertical line. Click OK. Here we have perfectly mirrored all the objects. Hide constraints so that we can view our sketch properly. Go to center dash circle and make it 2-point circle. Select the first point on this one. Hide the construction feature and the second point vertically aligned with it, giving a diameter of 35 mm. Now draw a concentric circle from this center of diameter 20 mm. Finish sketch. We have these two sketches ready. Hide sketch 1. Go to Extrude command. Select this profile, drag it outward up to 250 mm. Direction symmetric so that we will have a proper length of 500 mm. Click OK. Turn on the visibility of sketch 1. Go to Extrude again. Select all these profiles carefully. Drag it upward. By default, the operation has been selected as cut. Change it to intersect and extend type to all so that we will have a intersecting body of our two extrudes. If I change the operation to cut, you can have a proper view that our extruded body has extended up to the maximum length of our previous extruded body. Change it to intersect again and click OK. Turn on the visibility of sketch 1. Press E to go to Extrude. Select this circular profile. Drag it upward up to 195 mm. Operation join and click OK. Right click and repeat extrude. Select this circular profile. Drag it upward up to 160 mm. Operation join and click OK. Hide sketch 1. Now turn on the visibility of sketch 2. Go to Extrude. Select these two profiles. Drag them outward up to a distance of 12.5 mm. Change the operation to join, direction symmetric so that we will have a total length of 25 mm, 12.5 mm on both sides. Operation join and click OK. Now I am going to create some extrudes from these two profiles. In order to create a hole, go to Extrude, select this circular profile, drag it outward, change the extend type to all so that it will cut all the bodies coming on its way. Direction symmetric, so it will cut on both sides. Operation cut and click OK. Right click and repeat extrude. Select this circular profile. Change the start plane to object. Select this surface so that our body will be extruded from this surface instead of our profile plane. Extrude distance 20 mm. Operation join and click OK. Height sketch 2. Here is our body ready, and I am going to mirror this on the other side. Now under create, go to mirror, object type, features, and select the previous extrude on the timeline. For the mirror plane, select this front plane. Compute option, adjust, click OK. The body has not appeared yet. So, right click on the mirror and edit the feature. Compute option, optimized, and click OK. Here you can see the body has been mirrored. Now, I am going to create a sketch on this plane. So select the plane and create a new sketch on it. Go to Project, Selection Filter Specified Entities. Click on this edge, turn on the projection link and click OK. So that this edge has been projected on the current sketch. I can use the line for my drawing purposes. Go to Center Dash Circle and draw a circle from this midpoint up to this distance. Draw another concentric circle of diameter 50 mm. Finish sketch. Press E to go to Extrude command. Select these two profiles. Drag them inward. Click on this surface so that the profile will be extruded up to this surface, cutting all the bodies coming on its way. Operation cut and click OK. Turn on the visibility of sketch 3. Go to Extrude again. Select these two profiles. Drag it inward up to -95 mm. Operation join and click OK. So we have got this cylindrical body. I am going to mirror this on the opposite side. Under create, go to mirror, object type features, and for the object, select the previous extrude. Mirror plane, this right plane. Compute option, optimized, and click OK. Here you can see it has not delivered the required object. So undo the step, go to mirror again. For the feature, click on this extrude, and for the mirror plane, select this right plane. Compute option, change it to adjust. Click OK. Here we have got our body. Our design is almost ready. It's time for the last part. I'm going to create some flanges here. Turn on the visibility of sketch 1. Under construct, click on plane at an angle and select this construction line. Rotate this at an angle of 90 degree. Press enter. I'm going to create sketch on this plane. Hide sketch 1. Create a new sketch on this plane. Go to project. Selection filter, specified entities. Click on this edge and this curve. Click OK. Go to straight line command, draw a vertical line from this point at an angle of 90 degree up to here. Draw another line, inclined one, with the end point horizontally aligned with this line and join them together. Go to sketch dimension command, select these two edges and provide an angle between them as 75 degree. It is too close, so change it to 60 degree. Now it looks okay. Finish sketch. Go to Revolve command. The profile has been already selected. For the axis, select this blue axis, which is the vertical one. Extend type partial and the angle should be 5 degree. Change the direction to symmetric. So we will have an angle of 10 degree, 5 degree on each side. Operation, join and click OK. I'm going to pattern this flange throughout the whole body. So under create, go to circular pattern. Object type, features. Select the previous revolve. For the axis, you can also select this curve. Number of quantities 4. Compute option, adjust and click OK. Here we have our flanges ready. Our design is ready. Press A to go to appearance. I am going to apply a paint metallic color on it. You can also tweak the color if you want, as follows. Here is our design ready. I hope you guys have learned something new in this tutorial. Don't forget to check out my channel for such more contents. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, keep designing and design whatever you love. Bye bye.